ating merienda na. Lunch and merienda. Mega lang shoutout po. Ayan, pancit. Ang ating drinks. Mango shake guys. So yummy. Ayan ang beautiful baby sa food court and food. So ayan guys ang ating chicken Jollibee. So yummy. Ito ay burger chicken ranch ng Jollibee guys. So yan ang aming lunch and merienda guys. Yan ang aking beautiful baby. Ayan guys. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Happy Monday. Bye.